Hey everyone, today I'm going to be unboxing and putting together the FOTOCONIC 10-foot metal tube crossbar. Now this crossbar is great when you have background support systems like mine. I actually did another video about it that just focuses on putting this bad boy up. This is the Neewer 3-roller wall photography background support system setup. And now I'm going to show you when you buy the tube crossbar for the top, for the paper, how you put it together, how the extender bars fit inside of it, and how this chain comes in play. So far right now, my background support system, I have a green screen and I have this white paper, and now I'm gonna add some colored paper right over there, some pink and blue, if you can see it. And because the bars are 10 feet long and these are 4 feet each, I can put them both on one. Hey, how about that? 2 photos in one. So when I posted the first video, a few people did send me comments and questions about how to put these bars together, where to buy them. Well, this is the video for you. So check it out, I'm gonna put it together now. You gotta love bubble wrap. I always get to spend a couple minutes doing this. So it comes in 3 different poles that you have to screw together. So let's take them out of the box. Let's clear. You'll know the middle bar is the middle bar because on either side of the middle bar you'll have the hole right here and a hole right here. So it's the one with the holes on either side. And the 2 side ends, obviously one end will have the screws on the inside, the other one will have the screws on the inside, and the outside portions don't have anything. So that is where your extender handles will go. And these inside parts are where this will connect to this hole, this will connect to this hole, and vice versa. So you'll put it on, right? It slides on like so. And what you want to do with both screws with your flathead, you want to expand them. So you want to tighten the screws so that it expands the pull inside so that it locks it right here. See, that's tight. Rachel, try to pull that end. See, we're both using our full strength pull it. That's not going nowhere. So one end, done. So then we go to the other side, and we slide that in. Slide it in like a glove. It's a little stiff, but
You need to loosen it.
if you need to loosen it, you can loosen it if you need to. But we didn't need to loosen it. Again, you're gonna wanna expand the screws, so you're gonna wanna tighten them. So righty-tighty, lefty-loosey, so don't go left, you wanna go right. Rachel, give me a pull on that. Let's make sure. That's tight, guys. That's not going nowhere. Now we'll put on the expander bars that comes with the Neewer kit. And then you put it in, and you just tighten at the end right here. Then you'll put on the other side expander. Got that side good, got this side good. Expanders are on. Now let's put this bar up where it belongs. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. Now I have my own in-home colored backdrop. So be sure you get your 10-foot metal tube whenever you get one of these bat drops, and you won't have a care in the world when it comes to this photo paper. Be sure to subscribe, like, comment. Let me know if you have any questions about how you put these bat drops up, or the bar, or any of this setup. Thanks so much for watching.